Welcome back to Technovation. Today, we're zeroing in on the importance of KPIs for service businesses. KPIs are your business's vital signs. They reveal what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. In the world of maintenance, they're the roadmap to efficiency and ultimately profitability. It's extremely important your business is leveraging a tool that can easily create any type of data dashboard, generate reports on the fly, and have information readily available whether you're in the field or at the office. When you're working in siloed systems, from spreadsheets to paper files, client FM systems, email, and more, it can take days, if not weeks, to pull all the necessary data. And we all know time is money. It's not just about collecting data for data's sake. It's about transforming these numbers into actionable insights, using them as stepping stones to drive your business towards its goals. Remember, you can't manage what you don't measure.